Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am starting fixing. So this is a 2020 Porsche Macan. Here is the damage because the hit is, as you can see, very big here, and the animal landed on the windshield, I think. Unfortunately all airbags are deployed, but overall the car is in good shape. Such a big wheels, 21 inch Porsche GTS, I think, wheels. Here is my second job. I need to paint them on black. Hi guys, and it's been a while. This is my new project, and my new project is in this truck right there. It is a Porsche Macan 2020, but look what's going on there. Weather is crazy. So guys, I was able to get inside this car, to rear doors. Here for sure is somewhere the pyrotechnic fuse, so I have to replace it and the car should start, so wish me luck. Now I will unscrew everything here and I will show you the final result. This cover is pissing me off. Okay guys, so the battery is there. And here is the pyrotechnic fuse, you see? Such a new, how do you call it in English? Bypass. But on the first look it should fit. So we will try to launch the car. That's that simple. Okay guys, so the jumper pack. Okay, so I connect the jumper pack, guys, and now we will do a quick launch. 12,000 miles, woohoo! Oh, guys, the car is loaded. So looks very nice. Runs, something is with the cooling system because the fan started immediately. So I have to check the cooling system. Maybe the front radiator is damaged, I think. But I will check this after the disassembly process. So guys, give me a sec and I will unload this bad boy in my garage. Woohoo! And I think this will be pleasant job. So now I am driving to the Porsche dealership, order the parts with my other project, but I didn't show you this car. So guys, I was fixing the BMW X3 2019. The car is fixed. Guys, I didn't show you the repair of this car because I fixed on my channel 2 BMWs, so I don't want to spam with BMW's repair. So I will show you the Porsche Macan repair. Okay guys, so I am in the Porsche Poznań right now, so I am going inside. I don't want to record there because, you know, I have to ask for permission. That's the rules in my country, and I will order the parts, and I am driving home. I forgot to take the go. So let's go order some parts. Woohoo! Nice one. Pinky. I will eat and time to go home. Okay guys, so the parts, I ordered the parts. I have here the, it's not an invoice. Invoice I have in the trunk. So I did that payment, and 3 days and the parts will arrive to my home. So I am very happy. In about 1 week and I will start the repair. So guys, tomorrow the company will drive to me and they will replace the front windshield, front glass, and my task for today is to clean the entire interior. I need to vacuum the, you know, the old glass. I am cleaning the car right now. So guys, as you can see, it's much cleaner, but now I have to unglue this protective plastic wrap, and I need to cut rest of the glass. So guys, as you can see, the parts from Porsche arrive. So I have here all needed parts for repair, and today I will paint hinges because the body shop guy need hinges. So now we will see what is inside. Look. This is one side or one hinge from Porsche Cut. Nice. Okay guys, so I think I have all the parts here. Here is the new fender components. This is some kind of bumper bracket. This is also bracket for headlamp. Here is fender bracket, not fender bracket. This is also a headlamp bracket. This is for headlamp. This is for headlamp bracket also. Headlamp bracket also. Some kind of thing for radiators. Those are the... Oi? I didn't order that. I don't need this part. Okay, so I need to go to Porsche and I need to give them back, because I need this part for bumper cover and those things are for bumper and headlamp. The damage wasn't so bad, but there is a lot of plastic parts and all damage, so now I will put them into the car, and also I will put the bumper. I need to clean the surface here, because the car, as you can see, is in the body shop right now, so they will start to repair the car tomorrow. Parts are loaded, so now I will paint the hinges. Alrighty guys, so I am painting the hinges. Here is the color sample. This color sample is very good. Here they are, the hinges. So one coat of clear. They are looking very nice. I am waiting now around 7 minutes, and I will apply second coat. So guys, as you can see, the car is in the same spot, but after the body shop and after the installing the front windshield. Sorry guys, but I cannot record some work because I have to ask for permission, and the companies, you know, disagree my request. So the car is finished after the body shop, like I mentioned. Windshield is on its place. So now I will paint this bad boy up, but this will be in the next episode. Hope guys you like that kind of movie, and see you all to the next time. Bye.